Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today, as you know, I'm going to do a little explanation about this Z Grils reward crowdfunding for you that I didn't know about when I first heard about it. The reward crowdfunding is you buy one today, you get 10 more over the next 50 years. You get one every 5 years for the next 50 years, so you get 11 total for $777. Can't beat that deal, right? Well, you know, when I first heard about this, I'm like, 50 years, I'm going to be 110. This thing just, it's a gimmick. They're trying to get my money and get me to get one of the grills, and you know, it's not going to work. Then I started looking into it. I asked questions about it. I found out you can transfer your 10 grills to whoever you want. Let's just say, for instance, I kept this crowdfunding for 10 years. 5 years, I get another one. 5 years go by, I get another one. You just pay for the shipping, $100 for shipping, right? So I'll be 75. Well, hopefully I'm still here doing videos, crazy videos for you guys and cooking all kinds of good food. But, you know, maybe I won't be. I don't know. We can't predict the future, right? Well, so I got 2. There's 8 grills left. I can transfer that to my son. Well, one of my sons has a son, and I could transfer it to him. He can use 20 years, 25 years, and there's 3, 4 left. Well, he can transfer it to his son, and his son can enjoy it. He can get 3 or 4 depending on how many his dad takes, you know. It's just like you can keep this in the family, man, for 50 years, and my grandson could say, yeah, my grandpa left this for me 50 years ago. How cool would that be, right? You don't have to give it to family. You can just transfer it to your friends. You could donate it to your church. Whatever you want to do with the crowdfunding, you can do. You don't have to, you know, there's nothing. You just have to fill out a registration card, I believe is what it is, to transfer it. And, you know, if my kids were younger, this would be a great graduation gift, right? Son or daughter, 50 years. By the time they're 70, they've had a brand new grill every 5 years their entire life. How cool is that, right? All they had to do is remember to pay that $100 at 5 years and request it, and they're golden. I just think that's incredible. Even if they're not 18, say it's their birthday, they're 30 years old, and you get them this grill, and you say, you know what? For the next 50 years, by the time you're 80, you'll get your last one, right? If they're 30, and they're like, oh, well, that's not gonna work. Who knows if I'm gonna be still wanting to grill at 80, right? I hope I am. But they can transfer it to whoever they want. The transferability of the rewards crowdfunding of the 10 other grills is what's so fantastic about this program. All right, now pros, well, $777, you get this 700 square inch pellet grill. You get a 20-pound hopper, has a cabinet right there that you can put your pellets in, your cooking utensils in. Hardly any pellet grill comes with a cabinet, and to me that is so awesome, because you're always wanting somewhere to put your stuff, right? Well, now you have it. You got a cabinet. Okay, so and then the 10 other grills, right? I mean, let's say, for instance, let's just say Z Grils goes out of business in 25 years. Well, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. You get 5 grills in that time, right? You may not get the 5th one if they're going out of business, but so that's a con. They may not be here in 50 years, but the crowdfunding, they're taking that $777, they're reinvesting it in the company, and everybody that's buying these at $777, that's a lot of money to reinvest into the company, to guarantee almost that they'll be around still in 50 years. Now, I can't imagine what a pellet grill is going to look like in 50 years. It could just be the craziest thing, or they may go back to retro, right? And this grill may be back in style in 50 years. Who knows? We can't predict that future, right? All right, so man, as far as cons, I'd say that's about it. It's just, you just don't know, right? I guess if you want to call it a con, you got to remember every 5 years that you need to contact them send them your $100 and get your next grill. I don't believe they're going to email you and say, hey, it's time for your new grill. They might, but I'm not aware of that. All right, so yeah, I mean, $777. You'll pay more than that for a 700 square inch grill. You'll pay, I mean, you could pay multiple thousands of dollars for a grill, depending on what all you get with it, you know, how fancy it is and all that. But I'm telling you, this one here is going to be really nice for anybody that gets it. I'm going to be doing some cooks on it. I'm not doing a cook today. I just wanted to explain that transfer option with the reward crowdfunding. Like it didn't make sense to me at first, but it really does now. And yeah, it's a good looking grill too. Yep, Z Grils. All right, if you have any questions at all, just ask in the comments below. If I can answer them, I will. There will be a link below so you can pick up one of these. They're the 700 series and the 1000 series, 1050B, something like that. You can get it, whatever model. Okay, and yeah, it's an incredible program. I hope in 50 years they're still around completing all those programs, everybody that's asked for one in the 5 years and 5 years and 5 years. Okay. All right, I think that's about it I got for you. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Click that link. Go get you one. Go get your kids one. Awesome birthday present for anybody, actually. Or Christmas present. Hey, get it set up. All right. I hope you have a great day and definitely give this a look. All right. We'll see you on the next video.